Here is a close look at the Macally Gooseneck phone holder. This is a very sturdy product that has a very strong clip here for attaching to practically any base where you might need it. And then we've also got our pieces here. We've got the cord here, we've got the actual phone holder part, both of which are very malleable. You'll see here that I can easily move it wherever I need, depending on how I want the phone to be held. And then this part as well twists all the way around. Very easy to use. We can definitely get quite a few different angles with it, which is very nice. The few things I will say I don't like as much is, for one, it is kind of hard. If you don't have a thick enough base like this, it's not going to stay very well. It isn't as good if you're trying to like kind of have it on a vertical surface like this. It's definitely going to be easier on some more horizontal surfaces. Even this one down here, that would work pretty well. Just make sure that you've got a very specific need in mind for it, and it's going to work better, I'm sure. And then one thing I would like if it had a little bit more range. It's not super long, so make sure you've got a very specific need in mind if this is a product that you're looking for. There's a specific spot where you need your phone to be held, because it's also not super portable. But overall, it works very, very easily. I've got this part right here that extends. It's also kind of rough to get that to work, or maybe it's this side. Hold on, let me see. Okay, yeah, it's that side right here that will extend when you're putting your phone in, allowing it to support a lot of different phone sizes. Overall, it's almost certainly going to work for just almost any situation. Just keep in mind it might not attach very easily to all bases, but it's a very, very strong clip, and it's definitely going to stay in place.